Creatify AI examples. In this video, I show you some Creatify AI examples I made easily in minutes. Let's watch them.
You have just some simple steps to make your AI talking avatar with this AI tool.
It is not me. It is an AI avatar of me, or even this is not a real human.
You might not know, but I'm an AI avatar. I am created in just 10 seconds.
Now, let's see the next video that I made with one of the most popular tools in Creatify, AI Shorts. In this section, everything is generated by Creatify. The script, images, edits, filters, music, subtitles. I just click on one button.
Why wait for tomorrow when today's your golden opportunity? Time is fleeting, yet it's now, in this very moment, that dreams become reality. Every successful entrepreneur began with a single step, challenging uncertainties and embracing innovation. Hesitation only fuels doubt, but action births possibilities. The world awaits your ideas, your passion, and your determination. Dare to act now and experience the satisfaction of building something remarkable.
And for the next video, I just copy the link of Amazon Marketplace.
I never imagined experiencing the rich, smoky flavors of a perfect barbecue without stepping outside. But with the Cuisinart smokeless grill, my kitchen transforms into a gourmet paradise, no matter the weather. Simplifying my cooking, delicious steaks, breakfasts, or burgers, it's now my go-to. Here's your chance for 20% off. Elevate your indoor grilling, order now.
And for this video, I use the same way with a simple URL from Amazon.
For the woman who sets her path, discover an elegance rooted in nature with Armani Beauty's My Way Eau de Parfum. As floral notes entwine with cedarwood, find your story, breathe in sophistication, own the moment.
I show you some videos I made with Creatify AI just in 5 minutes. Creatify is really easy to work with, and you can make ton of videos easily in a day for your business. To make videos for your business, you have to upgrade. By the way, to upgrade your account, you can use my link in the description to get multiple discounts. Click on the link and sign up. Then click on Upgrade option. Here, you can choose monthly or yearly plans. But yearly account, you will get 50% off on its Pro plan, which is great. Beside this, I get a Creatify AI coupon code for you to get more discount on each plan you choose. This is the most seller plan. You can choose how many credits you need based on your business. Compared to similar tools, Creatify is relatively less expensive with more features, which can be a good point. Choose your desired plan. Then add this coupon code. I added this in the description. As you can see, this is the best deal. Use and enjoy.